Welcome everybody to Random Deliciousness. Today wow, look at that intro. That's sweet. Alright, we're doing hummus today. Gonna be doing one fancy version and one quick version. I'm gonna start out with some dried chickpeas. Soak them overnight for the fancy version. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, they're bigger now. So yeah, nice and big. Wow. There's the focus. You can see them. Yeah, go ahead and drain those and then put them in a pot. Fill them up with about 2 inches of water on top. There it is. Crank that bad boy up. Alright, add your salt in. I'll have the recipe down below if you're interested. And cook them for about an hour or until they're tender. You want to save that cooking liquid down there below because it's super flavorful. So make sure you're catching it underneath the strainer. Then get your food processor out. We're going to pour that liquid and the chickpeas into it. And I'm doing way too big a batch, as you can see already, for my tiny little food processor. And just combine these two until they're paste-like. May take a few minutes. Ooh, test it. It already tastes good. The salt and the liquid we cooked it in really help give the liquid some flavor, and the chickpeas. Go ahead, cut your lemon up and squeeze it super fast into a container like this. That was record speed. Then we're going to pour the lemon juice into the tahini we're going to use and mix it up, and it turns into this fluffy tahini cloud, as you can see. That's going to help it turn into a creamy, delicious hummus. Oh yeah, put it in there. Oh yeah, chop some garlic too, might as well. A little extra flavor. I'm gonna paste it actually, so make sure you put some salt on there. It's gonna make pasting it a lot easier. You don't have to get it too fine. Food processor should help you out, but it's going to bring out some of the natural oils in the garlic and really distribute that garlic flavor well. And if you notice the max liquid fill, don't mind that. You know, kind of went overboard a little bit. Okay, just added some cumin in there, and I'm gonna add some salt to taste. Oh yeah, actually, some olive oil in there as well. That was off camera. So yeah, that's hummus. Just let your food processor do the work. Did about 5 minutes on low, 5 minutes on high, and it turned out to be super creamy and really good. Better than you'll get in restaurants, and definitely better than that stuff you get in the store. I was messing around with how I was going to plate this up and wanted to make sure that there were a couple divots in there so that the olive oil would catch in them, because I really like dipping pita bread and other things into that olive oil, making sure I get it on there as well as hummus. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Some paprika. Very nice. Cumin. Just gives it a little extra flavor and makes it look pretty nice. And wipe that bowl off. Oh, wow. So fast. Oh, there's a garnish. Might seem a little big, but I like parsley, so it was yummy. Yeah, that hummus was really good. Oh, here we go. Quick version. Down and dirty. Just going from our dried chickpeas to canned. Straight in liquid again, because that's where a lot of the flavor is. So we're going to be using the canned liquid. I know some of you people out there are like, oh my god. But don't worry. That's where the salt for this one's really coming from. Because that canning liquid has a ton of salt in it already. So yeah, super fast, chickpeas, a little bit of liquid, tahini, cumin, and olive oil. Yeah, got it on video this time. Alright. Turn that up into a paste while we paste our garlic again. Making 2 batches in the same day. Wow, I'm gonna have so much freaking hummus to eat. But that's alright, because it's all good. This is actually the first episode of Random Deliciousness, so I hope you're enjoying it. We're going to be making the perfect hero coming up here soon, as well as some homemade pita and tzatziki. If I said that right, probably not, but yeah, something to look forward to. And yeah, as you can notice, this version is so much faster than the dried version, but really the dried version turned out to be a lot better. So if you have the time, just go ahead and soak the beans overnight. Really, besides soaking and cooking for an hour, you really don't have to do much else different than this version. You get a superior product. Yep, get that lemon juice in there. Well, it's taking me a little bit. Oh, there we go. Just make sure the seeds don't get in there. Keep blending. This canned hummus turned out to be really creamy and it was good, but it just didn't have that fluffy texture that I got with the dried chickpeas. And that's what really wound up setting the two apart in the end. Yeah, I added a little more salt, just because that's me. But you really don't have to if you're using a similar sodium canned garbanzo bean product. Oh yeah, just put it away like that. Wow. Now we're gonna plate this one. And yeah, that looks about right for a canned hummus presentation. It's a good quick version. And beautiful cargo shorts. Drizzle it on there. Oh yeah. That drizzle's so good. Ooh. Alright, yeah, paprika, cumin again. And no garnish. Yeah, this is a quick version. You don't need a garnish. Well, I mean, we already garnishing with olive oil and paprika, but okay, yeah, that's the video. Well, if you like this video, you should go ahead and subscribe if you're not already, which it's my first episode, so of course nobody's going to be subscribed yet. Drop me a like if that's a phrase. Also, you should check out my website, randomdeliciousness.com, where I'll be posting all my recipes. And yeah, I look forward to posting more videos for you.